Party, good morning all. How are you all? Yes, you all are very fine and doing great job at your homes and celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi. And yes, Ganu Mama is your favorite Lord, na? So move on. We will talk about the studies. Yes, chapter number 4. Our festive chapter number 4. House is going on, and I already explained you each and everything which is related with this chapter. है ना? We learned in this so many things. So many things about the house. है ना? But once again, I am taking a quick recap. So you will memorize all these things once again, right? So we human beings have three basic needs. First one is food, second one is shelter, third one is house. So in this category, the chapter number 4, house will come, right? So why do we need a house? Yes, of course we need a house to live in. All the family members are living together in the house, and house protect us from all seasons and wild animals and thieves. है ना? Like we human beings, animals also need a house, but they don't have house. So they have the shelters. They have the shelters. They are protecting themselves in shelters, है ना? And then we learnt about the kacha house and pakka house, है ना? So many things. Kacha house is not very much strong. For build a kacha house, mud, leaves, bamboos, these all things are required, है ना? Then pakka house is permanent house. It is very strong, है ना? And to build a permanent house, we need the materials like iron, steel, wood, glass, cements and all. Then we learnt about the roofs. There are two kinds of roof. First flat roof, second sloping roofs. People, those who are living in plain areas, they are using the flat roofs, and people, those who are living in mountain areas, in hilly areas, they are using the sloping roofs, right? And then we learnt about the temporary houses. Temporary houses we can call in Hindi asthayi ghar, which can move easily with us, which we can carry with us. In this category, we learnt about the houseboat, the caravans, the tent and the igloos. है ना? These four are given in your book, but I already made you learn about the number 5th also, which is not in your book, which is not in your textbook. है ना? Tree house. To build a tree house, a strong and big tree is required. है ना? And these kinds of tree house especially made to attract the tourist, right? And then we learnt about the things which is required, which is very much needed to a good house, है ना? So a good house have always doors, windows and proper ventilations. So why door is required? Door is required, windows are required to get fresh air inside, to get sunlight inside, है ना? And ventilation is very required, because we cannot sleep while opening the doors. We humans, cannot sleep while opening the door. That's why ventilation is needed, because when we sleep, how we can get fresh air? What about that air which we are releasing from our mouth? Is it carbon dioxide? है ना? So ventilation is needed. If the ventilation is not there, we cannot get fresh air inside, and especially at night. I am talking about the night time, है ना? रात को तो we cannot sleep while opening the door and windows. दरवाजा खोलेंगे, चोर आने का डर हो सकता है, कुछ भी जानवर आ सकता है ना? So when ventilation is there, we can get proper oxygen, and whatever carbon dioxide we are releasing while sleeping, it goes out from the ventilations, है ना? And door and windows get us not only fresh air, but it gets us the sunlights too, right? And then we learnt about people who build a house. You and me, we can't build a house because we are not architect, we are not engineer, we are not mason, we are not carpenter, we are not plumber, we are not electrician, we are not painter. So we to want house, घर तो हमें चाहिए, but how we can get, what are the sources of that to get a good house, है ना? So when we wants to build a house, definitely we need some helpers, है ना? Definitely we need some sources, and that sources are the architect, mason, carpenter, plumber, electrician and painter. They all help us. Architect made a plan. Where is the kitchen? Where is the living room? Where is the bedroom? These all are planned by an architect. है ना? Mason make the walls of our houses. Carpenter make the furniture of our house. Plumber fix all taps and pipes, है ना, of our house. Electrician also get help to get the fit wires and switches and plugs and all. And painter paints the wall. So this was the entire summary of your chapter number 4, house. Whatever we learnt, I already explained you already learnt each and everything. Now it's time to do the exercise. है ना? So first we will write the new words. Of the chapter, right? Okay, so when you will start writing, write with good handwriting. First you will write the number of chapter. Yes, chapter number 4. Then write the name of the chapter. The name of the chapter is house. Then you will write your heading. What is your heading? Your heading is new words. Okay. Now I am writing new words. You have to write with good handwriting. When you will watch this video, get ready with your pencil box, your sharpener, your eraser, your stationery or items, and your notebook also. Right? So I am writing. You will write with me. Yes, your first word is strong wind. Second, protect. Third, canal. Fourth, stable. Fifth, den. Sixth, shed. Nest. Coop and kacha house. Right, now I am not having place over here, so I am writing over here. After kacha house, pakka house, then apartment. Then single story building. Single story building. ठीक है, then multi story building, right? And then flat roofs, flat roof actually, and sloping. Sloping roof, right? And then ventilation. Right, and then ceiling. Then polluted air. Then garbage. Then architect. I am writing over here. These words I am writing over here. And then mason. Right, and then carpenter. And then plumber. And then electrician. And then painter. Right, so these are the new words of your chapter. Word number 1, strong winds. Strong winds means तेज हवा, like bavar, we can call it bavar. And then number 2, protect. Number 3, candle. Number 4, stable. Number 5, den. Number 6, shed. Number 7, nest. Number 8, coop. Number 9, kacha house. Number 10, pakka house. Number 11, apartment. Number 12, single story building. Number 13, multi-story building. Number 14, flat roof. 15, sloping roof. 16, ventilation. 17, ceiling. 18, polluted air. 19, garbage. 20, architect. 21, mason. 22, carpenter. 23, plumber. 24, electrician. 25, painter. So these are the new words. These are the new words you have to write. I am giving you time to write. Okay? I am giving you 2 minutes time to write. Strong winds, protect, candle, stable, den, shed, nest, coop, kacha house, pakka house, apartment, story building, multi-story building, flat roof, sloping roof, ventilation, ceiling, polluted air, garbage, architect, and mason, carpenter, plumber, electrician, and painter. I am giving you 2 minutes time to complete your work. Then you will try to learn these difficult spellings. Because once you will learn the spellings, you will not face any difficulty when you will learn the question and the answers. है ना? So try to learn the spellings there and there only. Because nowadays you all are at your homes and you have lots of free time. Right? So don't waste your time while watching the cartoon shows. है ना? While watching the cartoon shows. Write fast, because this habit writing nowadays, I don't think so you all are very quick and fast, because you all are not coming to school. That's why maximum numbers of students, they are writing slowly, and they spoils writing also. I already announced in my previous lectures that always write beautifully, neatly. Your notebook should be presentable. Hope you have done. I am giving you 5 minutes time. I am waiting to complete your work. There are 25 words, and you have to write these 25 words, but I don't think so you will write, but I don't think so you will take more than 25 minutes to write all these words. Why I am telling this? Because you all are the students of class 2, you all are the grown up child, right? So I don't think so you will take much of time to write all these words. These all words you heard many times in the lecture. These all words you already heard many times in the lecture. Okay, or you can take a screenshot also. You can take a screenshot also, and you can write afterwards. So I'm going to rub the board. Let me rub the board so we can do next exercise. We can do these new words you have to write in the notebook. These all new words you have to write in the notebook, right? But now we are going to do the next exercise, so that is no need to write in your book, है ना? Do it in the book only, no need to write in the notebook, है ना? I am showing you in front of the camera this wala exercise. Beta, take the correct option. This wala exercise we are going to do now, and नो नीड टू राइट इन द नोटबुक. आपको इसे कॉपी में नहीं लिखना है, आपको सिर्फ इसे बुक में ही सॉल्व करना है. दैट्स वाई आई एम टेलिंग दिस वर्ड्स इन हिंदी. आपको इसे बुक में ही करना है, कॉपी में नहीं. ओके, सो टेक द करेक्ट आंसर. Okay, number 1. Let's see what is number 1. Which one is a kacha house? Which one is a kacha house? Which one is a kacha house? Your options are number A, hut, number B, bungalow, है ना, and number C, apartment. Number C, apartment. Okay. So there are 3 options. There are 3 options of given question. Which one is a kacha house? I already told you that kacha house is a kind of hut. Kacha house is a kind of it is not a bungalow. Bungalow is a pakka house. It is a permanent house. It is very strong. Apartment, no, apartment has so many stories, so many flats. So kacha house. Kacha house is made by the mud, bamboos, straw, leaves, and kacha house is not very much strong. So this option number A is the right answer. So I am putting the tick mark in front of option A. है ना? Now let's see what is number 2. The Dal Lake in Kashmir is famous for what? The Dal Lake in Kashmir is famous for what? So let's see the options. What are the options? Number A, caravans. Number B, igloo. And number C, houseboat. Okay, so once again read the question. The Dal Lake in Kashmir is famous for. I already told you that Dal Lake is this. Dal Lake is situated in Jammu and Kashmir. It is in Jammu and Kashmir. This Dal Lake is a kind of lake. एक तरह की झील है. It is in Kashmir. It is in Kashmir and it is very famous for houseboat. See, igloo. Igloo is a kind of house which is made by the snow. बर्फ से बनता है. ठीक है. And caravans. Caravans is a temporary house. It is a movable house. It is like a van. है ना? So what is the answer? Dal Lake. Lake यानी झील. झील यानी पानी. So this lake word is related with houseboat. So this option C is the right answer. So I am putting the right in front of option C because option C is the right answer. Houseboat. Boat is related with lake. पानी से, है ना? So this option C is the correct answer. Now let's see what is number C. Number 3. Which of these allows doors and windows to enter the room? So let's see the options. Number A, rain. Number B, snow. And number C, sunlight. Okay, so what is the right answer first? Come for knowing the right answer, है ना? First we will read the question once again. Let's read. Which of these allows doors and windows to enter the room? है ना? ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो हमें हमारे घर में विंडोज़ और डोर को अलाउ करना चाहिए अंदर आने के लिए? सो लेट्स सी द ऑप्शंस. नंबर ए, रेन. क्या रेन को हमें अलाउ करना चाहिए अंदर आने के लिए? नंबर बी, स्नो. क्या बर्फ, स्नोफॉल को हमें अलाउ करना चाहिए घर में आने के लिए? नंबर सी, सनलाइट. क्या सनलाइट को हमें अलाउ करना चाहिए आने के लिए? So my dear students, I already told you that house protect ourselves from rain. So we are making the house to protect ourselves from rain. Then how we can allow rain to come inside our house, है ना. जब बारिश की बौछारें आपके घर के अंदर आती हैं, then what mama told you? Close the door, baby, go and close the door. Don't allow the raindrops come inside the house. Then you will run and you will close the door. Right? So this option A is not a right option. है ना? Then snow. Yes, we always made a house to protect ourselves from snowfall also. We can't allow these snows to come inside the house. So this option B is also not right. So move on. Option number C. What is option number C? Let's see. Sunlight. सूरज की रोशनी, है ना. So this option sunlight is very correct. Always allow sunlight to come inside your house. That's why we all are very aware. We all are very aware when we will build a house. That's why we are giving so many doors, so many windows. That's why when we starts building a house, always remember one thing: give so many doors, so many windows, है ना. Because if you will give so many windows, then fresh air will come inside and sunlight also will come inside, है ना. Fresh air gives us fresh oxygen and sunlight is very required because sunlight killed the germs. If sunlight will not come, we are not feeling good. How we can get the natural light? This tube light is artificial light. This bulb is artificial light. It is not good for us. But sunlight is good for us, है ना. सूरज की रोशनी में सब कुछ साफ दिखता है. And sunlight killed the germs also. Sunlight killed the germs also. That's why this option number C is the right option, है ना. So this tick the correct answer. No need to write in the notebook. आपको इसे कॉपी में नहीं लिखना है. हिंदी में बोल रही हूँ. No need to write this. Tick the correct answer in the notebook. Do in the book only. Do in the book only. Right? So it is enough for today's lecture because there are 25 new words which you have to write in the notebook, and this exercise, tick the correct option, you have to do in your book. That's why I am not going to take more exercises. I am not going to take more exercises. Now we will meet in our next lecture and then we will do the exercise number B, exercise number C, D and E. So exercise number B, name of the temporary house. Exercise number C, true false. Exercise number D and exercise number E, question and the answers. Right, so till then, bye bye. Do take care of yourself, keep study and keep reading also. Have a nice day. God bless. Bye.